Hey guys, it's Sandeep from Revetless, and today we have a brand new product for both unboxing as well as giving the first impressions on. So this here is the Echo Spot, which essentially is an alarm clock with a screen and also which has Alexa Assistant built into it. So the box itself comes in typical Amazon Echo sort of fashion with the colors, the box, etc. It features the Echo Spot itself. You get a 15-watt wall charger and you get some documentation as well, but that's about it. Now coming on to the Echo Spot itself, it's designed in a really beautiful way. It sort of has a flat face up front which houses the display. You have a camera, you have 4 microphones on board that have far-field voice recognition technology as well as the noise cancelling microphones. You have a built-in speaker, you have 2 buttons at the top which control the volume as well as the mute switch. So how it works is basically you tell Alexa different things and it sort of recognizes that and does it for you. So it's an assistant that does most of your things for you and you can do multiple things with it. Now I've changed the wake word, considering that each and every time if I use the word Alexa, it would get triggered in this video. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the functions that it can do. Computer, play Pray For Me by The Weeknd.
Pray For Me by The Weeknd and Kendrick Lamar.
So it got it. So you can sort of adjust the volume. I mean, this is going towards the lower portions of it. So let's try and see whether it can actually recognize my voice when it's all the way up. Computer. So it did that. It did recognize my voice despite it being at the highest volume setting. Pause. Computer. Pause. So it paused the song, that's about it. And you can also do certain things such as mute. So now regardless of whether I call it the wake word, computer, it won't actually recognize because you can see that there's a halo around it, there's a light on the switch here as well. So regardless of how many times I say the wake word, computer, 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 it means that it's not detecting whatever you're speaking. So in case you have something that you want to be kept private or you don't want the device to automatically wake up when you don't intend it to, this is what you should be doing. So other than that, you can also do some other functions. For example, computer, add Xbox One X to the cart.
Okay, I've added Xbox One X. Visit your cart to check out.
So it can't currently check out. You need to still visit your app or website in order to check out, but it has added that particular item to a cart, and that's kind of easy. It also helps where you are doing something. Currently, maybe you're working at your desk or something, and then you remember that you need to add something to a cart, but you don't want to stop and kind of add it yourself by going to the website or going to the app. So you can just tell Alexa to do it and it'll do it for you. That's pretty interesting and that's pretty easy as well. You can also ask it other things such as trivia. So for example, computer, where is India?
India is a UN-recognized country in Asia. It shares a border with Nepal, China, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Myanmar, the Indian Ocean and Pakistan.
So it kind of does some of the search and fact checks for you as well. You can also ask it, computer, how much is $300 in Indian rupees?
$300 is 19,557 rupees.
So that's also pretty good. So you can get most of these things done fast. You can even ask it to set reminders for you. So computer, set a reminder for 6 p.m. today to pay my credit card bill.
Okay, I'll remind you at 6 p.m.
So you have all these various functions and they have a whole list of things that you can try out with Alexa, and this list is ever growing. The capabilities of Alexa is more or less software dependent and it can be enhanced as time goes with updates and stuff like that. So currently the kind of stuff that you get from Alexa is still a bit limited, and I think that Alexa and various other voice assistants and home assistants have a long way to go before they become really usable, especially in a country like India. But this is a good way to start, and this is something that you can use as an alarm clock. You can see that it's showing the temperature, etc., and it's something that is there by your side when you need it. So it doesn't kind of change your entire workflow or doesn't change the way you would go about your day, but it kind of does help you do things a bit faster, especially if you have a busy schedule. So what's also impressive is that you can actually make calls to the Alexa app or anyone who has an Echo device using one of your Echo devices such as the Echo Spot. You can even call phone numbers, but that's available only in Canada, USA and a few select countries, but hopefully it'll be launched in India as well. So the Echo Spot seems pretty good so far. The speaker is also loud, but it's not amazingly good in terms of clarity, but luckily you can connect over Bluetooth or through 3.5mm audio jack to an external speaker in case you want a better speaker hooked up to the system itself. Other than that, the Echo Spot is actually a really good device. I think that we'll be taking it through its paces for the full review pretty soon, but that was our first impressions of it. It seems pretty good so far, but we'll dive in depth in our review. Thanks for watching. Let us know if you have any questions in the comment section below. See you again in the next one.